This one, cup of tea, Kim, every bloody day. Cup of tea, Kim, yeah.
Bán em đi.
You think Fred wants you? Mutton dressed as lamb?
You should have had me do that.
Skadda med bra.
Baked in a buttery, crispy flake.
Yes, 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 yes.
I don't know. I think it's all right.
Disneyland! You're so wrong.
Well, let me tell you, Tyra.
Do you want another one?
Your work permit pictures.
I don't know. Like, you know, it's there, ain't it?
Oh, the sherry. The whole thing of the sherry and the jelly and the...
Dirty.
Oh my fucking God, I can't believe it. I really can't believe it.
Don't go with what you see on television, a demure person.
I beg your pardon.
You horrible, horrible girl.
Bitch.
What a horrible bunch of people in this house.
Everyone's like, oh my God, it's Jermaine.
That is what you get for James Jordan. That is what he does.
Lovely.
Yeah, you see, that's why you're so fat, because you don't take it seriously.
Obviously, I'm just like wanting to get this over with and get on with my life. This is a big inconvenience for me.
You're a nasty bitch of a girl.
Way, get in there, sunshine.
Filth!
Way, get them knickers out for the lads.
Exercise.
No thanks.
That's my favourite dessert.
Amazing.
You know what I mean.